In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Slack account and workspace. We'll start from the very beginning and go all the way through setting up your workspace so it's ready to use. And this is a great way to create a clean Slack environment for team communication, project organization, or personal collaboration without mixing it into an existing setup. First, open your web browser and go to Slack's official Getting Started page. If you already have the Slack desktop app installed, you can launch that instead and choose the option to sign in or create an account. Either method will take you to the setup flow. Next, you'll begin the account registration process. Slack uses a secure sign-in system that usually relies on email verification instead of a traditional password, which makes access simple and secure. In the email address field, enter the email you want to use for this new account. If you prefer, you can also continue with a connected sign-in option like Google or Apple. If you enter your email manually, click Continue to move forward. After that, Slack will send you a verification message. Leave the Slack page open, switch over to your email inbox, and look for the confirmation email from Slack. Open it and find the 6-digit verification code. Then go back to the Slack setup page and enter that code into the verification fields. Once it's accepted, your account will be confirmed and Slack will move you into workspace creation automatically. Now it's time to set up the workspace itself. Slack will ask for the name of your company or team. Type a clear and descriptive name here because this will appear as the main identity of your workspace. Then click Next. After that, you'll be asked what your team is working on right now. Enter a project name or focus area. Slack uses this to create your first custom channel, so choose something relevant and easy to recognize. You'll then see a prompt asking if you want to invite other team members. If you're ready, you can enter their email addresses here. If not, you can skip this step for now or use the shareable invite link later once you're ready to control access more carefully. To finish, click the final button to open your new workspace. Slack will load your fresh workspace, and you should see the default